Episode 17.
Okay, say it again. I think I was too slow. What did you say?
I said, time 1545. Episode 17.
All right, thank you, Serge and Luc. We are back to Brightstone Oven, quarantine cooking. What are we making today?
We are making
Pastries.
pastries.
Okay, we're going to make pastries. We're going to reuse everything we used yesterday.
Except for these.
Except for those. So show what it is.
It's the best, least tasty puff pastry sheets. They're not really good. I tried. You should add more sugar.
Are they good once you put something on it?
Yeah, I guess.
Alright, so that's what matters. Alright.
Also, we made these earlier.
Earlier. Just now.
Earlier.
Okay, so the idea is that those are called Oranais, and they are little puff pastry. We're going to use the same crème pâtissière as yesterday.
Pig skin, butter, blueberries, and raspberries. Except today, we're going to go a little exotic, and we have mangoes.
Alright.
Wow!
Okay, so what do we need? We have puff
pastries.
Okay, so there are 2 sheets in there. And we already cut some in 4 to make those, so you guys can see. And so Luc is going to move those. Okay, don't poke them, because if not, they don't work. Okay, here, I'll show you. You gently pick it up, not too much. Set it down. There we go, gentle. If not, it breaks. There's delicate layers of butter and flour. And so if you break those layers, it doesn't work quite the same.
So that explains bad taste.
Yeah, probably. No sugar. So here is the one that I just cut in 4. I'm going to pick it up gently. Okay, watch out. And so what you're going to do is that you take about 1 nice teaspoon of the crème pâtissière and you spread it. And you leave about, you spread it. I'm going to show everyone. Oh, I have a ball in my throat, can't talk. I'm going to show everyone, so you spread it just about like that.
Don't touch.
So you have about half an inch left on the side. We're going to fold it. So you put your crème pâtissière, and then what fruits you want to do? Raspberry, mango, blueberries?
What's the first color you can think of?
Yellow.
Okay, well we're going
Mango?
mango.
Okay.
Because we gotta do exotic.
So you take the mango, put 1 here, have some good slices here. We keep this one for another one. Put 2, 3 pieces here. Okay. And then the trick is how do you do? Okay, so show everyone. Take your time.
So you do it like this.
No, overlap.
Oh,
Put
okay.
1. And
It's like a weird letter or a weird
Perfect.
burrito.
And that's it. At this point, it's all you do. All right. So you ready to make the next one?
Yes, I'm thinking of blueberry because I'm
Blueberry?
thinking of Alaska.
Okay. So grab the blueberries. And you keep putting the crème pâtissière, and you put the blueberries. There we go. So we are using exactly the same crème pâtissière as what we used yesterday for the fruit tart.
Yes.
Except this is one that I freshly made because I forgot the one that Luc made at home. So we couldn't use it, but I guarantee you it won't go to waste.
Also, I added a marshmallow. It's now super good.
Super good. Extra
Better than
marshmallow.
before.
That's Luc's special recipe.
Yeah.
Perfect.
This trick won't believe that all patisseries hate.
Okay. Alright, so we're going to put them like that. Oh, so there's more room. Okay, what do you put on this one? This one blueberry, what do you want?
Red.
Raspberry? Here, we're going to turn it around. So I can keep doing the crème pâtissière. And you can keep decorating them. Are they good?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Alright, I don't have a ton left, so I'm going to spread what we have in between the different ones. Okay, good job. Okay, this goes here. something like a rubber spatula to nicely clean a dish, right?
Yeah, because the metal spatulas have holes.
They have holes. Okay, what are you going to put in this one?
Oh, I'm thinking red
Mm-hmm.
and
Red and blue. Okay.
for the greatest
So
place.
often you see those type of pastries with apricots. So you can buy apricots in a can. They're already cooked. You just need to drain the water or the syrup. Just put the apricot one on each end. One on each end, and then you fold it. And so normally when you're done with that, you take one egg yolk that you beat gently, you whisk it, and then with a brush, you brush it on top. Today somehow we ran out of eggs again. We're under quarantine, so we're trying
We
to.
didn't run out of eggs. We had just enough.
Well, just enough to make the crème pâtissière, but don't have an extra one. Unless you're hiding it from me. No. So we didn't have any more egg, but you would brush an egg yolk on top of the dough, and that will make it extremely shiny. Another option, you put a little bit of butter. And this one started to solidify a little bit, but I ran out of egg yolk, so just a little bit of butter. That will help coloring a little bit faster as well. It's not quite the same as an egg yolk, but it makes it a little bit heat up a little bit faster. So what do you have? You have raspberry, blueberry, mango, and this one is going to be what?
Mango.
Mango, or mango?
Blueberry.
Mango, blueberry.
Because I'm gonna eat the last mango.
Okay, is it good? Nice and ripe. Okay, perfect. So once you have that ready, you're going to put it in the oven at 200 degrees for about 15 to 20 minutes. So that's going to cook pretty fast. And there we are.
Don't burn yourself.
Don't burn yourself.
It
So
hurts.
this that time to a little bit. Okay, that's
And
perfect.
now let's try.
And so this, I don't have another brush, so I'm just going to clean up this one. Okay, but we have again the fondant, which is in this case just pigskin, gelatin ready. It's apricot preserved with gelatin. You mix the two, add a little bit of hot water, and then you put it on top, especially on top of your fruits, so they don't dry out. And if I had another brush, I would use the other brush, but sometimes you do with what you have. So that will prevent the fruits from drying out. That adds a little bit of flavor. And here we go. A little bit more for this one. So that way, that makes them nice and shiny. Again, that prevents the drying out. There we go. All right. So, let me bring them closer so everyone can see. Put down and slide on me. Hope you can see. That's what we made. All right. So again, that was an easy recipe. It's Friday afternoon. Why not take it easy? Everybody have a good weekend. We're going to think about what other recipe we can come up with, right, Sergeant Luke?
Yes, sir!
Okay, thank you. And everybody stay safe. If you have any questions, again, go to breadstoneovens.com. We're uploading all the videos and the recipes as we go. Any question you have, go to the contact page. Again, Luke, thank you.
Thank you!
All right.
Profit!
Thank you, Sergeant. Stay safe, everyone.